amigo friends, hope you're all doing well today. So here we're on a little boat tour with Jessica, George, and Jorgito, and of course the lovely Jennifer, my wife. Wow! Hope we see some alligators. Or a crocodile, whatever's here.
En Chiapas de Coto, Chiapas y la verdad.
Oh, okay. So this is a boat tour through the mangroves. We did 2 little excursions here today. We did the ecological reserve as well as this boat tour. Now, they would only go out in the boat if you had 6 people, and we were only 5 with little Jorgito. So we paid for an extra person just so we could go, and we had the whole boat to ourselves, which was kind of cool. Now, I can't remember exactly how much it cost. We should have wrote it down, but sorry guys, I didn't. It wasn't very expensive. It was under 500 pesos anyway for 6 people, so it wasn't expensive at all. So that's why we went ahead and just paid for the extra person. I think it was like 450 pesos for all of us, so, and that was with an extra person. I come down here fishing.
Yeah.
Nice and quiet. Oh, look at that. Fish are jumping right there. Now, the mangroves are a very important part of the ecosystem. The mangroves nourish and provide shelter for flora and fauna. They are a natural control system, providing barriers from flooding, hurricanes. They help control soil erosion and are considered to be biofilters for the water. Mangrove roots provide nursery areas for wildlife by protecting marine life and its most vulnerable. They also attract huge numbers of migratory birds. In the Yucatan, you have 4 types of mangroves. You have the red mangroves, the black mangroves, the white mangroves, and the buttonwood. The buttonwood is generally a dense shrub of mangrove, but in the right condition it could also grow up to 20 meters. The Yucatan Peninsula mangroves are a habitat for numerous species of animals such as crocodiles, mantays, and many waterbird species like the pink flamingo, the wood stork, pelican, and also several species of herons and many other types of birds. And some of these species are considered endangered and threatened. The mangroves are also an important breeding ground for lobster, shrimp, and a snapper fish as well. Although we didn't see much for wildlife, my friends, we did see a lot of birds, and that was really about it. Seen a few fish jumping, but not much more. We truly enjoyed ourselves though. It was a nice boat ride. So here we're looking at another marina, obviously. I believe this is the older part of the marina. It's the marina on the mangrove side, obviously. And we actually went here just a few days ago, and we had bought some fish from the local fishermen here, me and George. We bought a whole bunch of sardines. They gave us a whole pail full of sardines for like 100 pesos. It was more than we needed, actually. We ended up freezing them, and they were pretty massive too. They were big sardines. I think we got like 6 big Ziploc bags full of sardines. So we got enough bait to last us a long time. Going back. There's the alligator. Hey, we watch the shore. That's where you'll see them, right? Is along the shoreline. If we see any, that's where they'll be, is in there. In the mangroves here. Well, mi amigos, if you like our content, please hit that subscribe button. And if you really super duper like it, hit that bell notification, please, and thank you. Give us a thumbs up. Thanks a lot, my friends. And don't forget to comment and share, mi amigos. Well, mi amigos, that concludes our boat tour today. Thanks for following along. We truly appreciate you all. Have yourselves a blessed day. Adios, amigos. God bless everybody out there and peace on earth.